Hello everyone, welcome to Study Facilitator. In this video, we are going to learn English worksheets for LKG, UKG and nursery kids. In this worksheet, we are matching the capital letters to small letters. Let us start now. D. This is the small letter D. Next, we are matching E. G. This is the small letter G. I. M. Next T. A. F. L. Let us learn the next worksheet. In this worksheet, we are asked the children to name the pictures and color the letter that matches with the beginning sound of each picture name. First one, goat. What is the sound? Beginning sound? Goat. G. Next example, car. Car. What is the beginning sound? C. Next picture is key. Key. The beginning sound is K. Next picture is balloon. Beginning sound is B. B for balloon. Next picture is flower. Flower. F. Next picture is spoon. Spoon. S. Next picture is home. What is the beginning sound? Home. H. Next picture is rat. What is the beginning sound? Rat. R. Next picture is cap. Cap. C. C is the beginning sound. Okay, next worksheet. In this worksheet, we are match the middle sound. Ask the children to name the picture and color the letter that matches with the middle sound of each picture name. First picture is fan. Fan. A is the middle sound. Next one is bat. Bat. A is the middle sound. Next one is a toy. Toy. O is the middle sound. Next picture is ant. Ant. N is the middle sound of this picture. Next one is fox. Fox. O is the middle sound. Next one is jug. Jug. U is the middle sound. Next one is sun. U is the middle sound. Next one is bag. A is the middle sound. Next one is hat. A is the middle sound. Next activity is match the end sound, like rhyming words. Fan. Pan. Hat. Bat. Coat. Boat. Car. Jar. Doll. Ball. Box. Fox. This activity is example for a end sound. Let us see next activity. In this activity, we call out the name of object with the D sounds in the picture. Ask the children if they can hear the sound D in the beginning of the word. Let them circle those objects. Door. That is door. D sound. Next, diamond. Diamond. This is the cloud, not matches. Bulb, not matches. Star. Star. Cloud. These words not matches to D sound. Fox, not matches. Doll. D. Doll. This word is matches. Duck. Duck. This one matches. Scissor, spoon, flower pot not matches. Dog. dog matches. Rabbit, goat, pigeon, nut matches. Drums matches. Carrot, cake, owl, that not matches to D sound. In this worksheet, call out the name of objects with the S sound in the picture. Ask the children if can hear the sound S in the beginning of the word. Let them circle those pictures. Sun, sun matches. Honeybee, cloud, nut matches. Seven, seven matches. Star, ship, this words matches. Apple, orange, not matches. Cycle, beginning sound is C, that's why not matches to S. Tortoise, not matches. Snake, matches. Chocolate, not matches. Spoon, matches. Next one is soap, matches. Rabbit, pot, flower, pig, these words not matches. Socks, sharpener, snail, that matches to S beginning sound. These are the S beginning sound objects. In this worksheet, we match the pictures with its names. Tree, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Next image is pig, P-I-G, pig. Next one is book, B-O-O-K, book. Next picture is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Telephone, T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.